I didn't realize I was killing my own glow every single morning until I caught myself looking in the mirror and thinking, damn, I look tired. And no, it wasn't my skincare. It wasn't that I needed a new serum, a fancy mask, or even more sleep. It was something deeper, something I was doing without even thinking about it. Sis, you're probably doing the same thing. And I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, why it's draining you, and how to cut it out in the next 24 hours so people feel your energy before you even say a word. Because real glow isn't about makeup or filters, it's about the energy you carry. And if you start your day the wrong way, you're dimming that light before it even has a chance to shine. One morning I woke up, did my usual, grabbed my phone before I even got out of bed. 10 minutes later, I'd read 3 bad headlines, a text that pissed me off, and an email that stressed me out. And here's the thing, I hadn't even brushed my teeth yet, but my nervous system was already in fight or flight mode. By the time I hit the mirror, my face looked like I'd already lived a whole day, and it was only 8 a.m. That wasn't lack of sleep. It was energy theft before the day even started. And if you do this too, it's aging you faster than you think. Because stress doesn't just live in your head. It shows up on your skin, in your posture, and in the way people feel your presence. Here's the name for it: micro-stress loading. Those tiny hits of stress, the phone scroll, the negative conversations, the mental to-do list overload. They feel small in the moment, but they stack. Every ding, every piece of bad news, every unfinished thought you pile onto yourself adds up. And what happens inside your body? Cortisol spikes. Your skin gets inflamed. Your muscles tighten. Your eyes look dull. And you walk around carrying that drained, heavy energy without even realizing it. I didn't notice the connection until I stopped. The crazy part? Within a week, people started saying, "You look different. What did you do? Did you change your skincare routine? Did you get more sleep?" And all I had done was protect my energy from the first moment of the day. So here's how I cut it out in just 24 hours. Morning gate. I leave my phone across the room so I can't reach it for 30 minutes after waking. That little barrier stops me from grabbing it on autopilot. Instead, I give myself space to actually wake up as a human, not as a notification machine. Midday reset. Instead of scrolling at lunch, I stretch and drink water. Just 5 minutes of moving my body clears out the tension, and water keeps my glow alive from the inside out. It's a small shift, but it changes the whole tone of the afternoon. Evening detox. 1 hour before bed, I turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. That means no late-night anxiety scrolls, no overthinking from someone else's drama, just me protecting my peace and letting my body recharge. 3 days later, I didn't just look fresher, I felt untouchable, like nothing and no one could knock me off center. And that feeling? That's priceless. Then I realized something even bigger. Protecting my glow long-term wasn't just about cutting things out, it was about stacking the right habits in. I paired it with my center and command ritual, made hydration and sunlight a non-negotiable, and suddenly my glow wasn't temporary. It became my baseline. Now I treat my glow like it's money. I don't let everyone and everything spend it. If it doesn't serve me, it doesn't get access. But glow without energy? That's like putting lipstick on a dead phone. You can have all the outer shine in the world, but if your energy isn't charged, it won't last. In the next episode, I'm giving you the exact energy fix high-value women swear by, the one that keeps them magnetic from sunrise to sunset, because glow gets you noticed, but energy is what makes people stay. You can keep ignoring this and wonder why you're running on empty, or you can click episode 4 and fuel the woman you're becoming. Your glow is the invitation. Your energy is what makes them stay. Let's go.